Hi everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I wanted to review a product that I purchased on Amazon that is great for anyone who has braces, and it was recommended by one of the people who works at my orthodontist office in order to floss your teeth when you have braces. And right now I only have my top teeth with braces. So what I purchased was the Platypus orthodontic flosser, and it's from Amazon. Comes in a 30 count, and the Platypus flosser, on the back it will tell you exactly how you floss your teeth. You can floss with one hand, and you can floss all of your teeth within 2 minutes. It's very easy, and you dispose them when you're done. And so you have this is the Platypus flosser. Looks similar to a standard flosser. You take this part and you go in between the teeth, and that's how you go. You go from one to the other, and then you have on the other side you have the little brush, and you clean your wire for your braces. And I really recommend this product just because with a traditional floss, either with if you use just the one that's like a string and then you go in between the teeth, or even one that has the handle, you will not be able to floss your braces. So this is really one of the best ways to floss when you have braces. Make sure that you are not having any type of tooth decay, any type of bacteria that is going to stay in your teeth after you have eaten something or drank something. So I would recommend using these in addition to brushing your teeth at least 4 to 5 times per day, and also always making sure to brush your teeth thoroughly and using Act Total Care mouthwash, one of the best. But make sure you use a mouthwash that does not contain a whitening ingredient, because that is not good when you have braces. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and have a great day.